Hey everyone, today we are going to solve an interesting geometry problem. Let's break it down step by step. We are given a triangle PQR where angle P is 120 degree, PQ is 11 unit and PR also 11 unit. We need to find value of x minus y. It means first we will find value of x and y. Let's see how to find. We know the sum of the angles in any triangle is always 180 degree. So, we write the equation angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal 180 degree. Substituting the given values 120 degree plus x plus y equal 180 degree. 120 will move another side, then x plus y equal to 60 degree. Now look here, PQ equal PR. So it is an isosceles triangle. That means angle x equal angle y. So we substitute this into our equation and simplify. 2x equal 60 degree. X equal 30 degree. It means x equal y equal to 30 degree. Now we have values of x and y. So x minus y equal to 30 minus 30 equal to 0 degree.